Inside the kitchen, Blue is getting ready for a busy day in the forest. It's finally spring and all the squirrels have left the nest to search for food. I do hope I see some squirrels today. I've collected this whole basket of nuts and seeds to leave out for the baby squirrels. Willow and Molly will be here soon. They're taking Blue squirrel watching. Ha, 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 achoo! Gazoon-type, Blue. That's a big sneeze you've got there. Oh, I do hope I'm not getting sick. That would ruin spring. Achoo! Oh no! I better wear a scarf to keep the cold away. I won't get sick then. Come in. I'm ready to go squirrel watching. Hi, Blue. Are you ready to go? Why are you wearing that scarf? It's such a hot day outside. Yeah, I'm ready. I'm just a little cold, that's all. But Blue, you're sweating. Are you sure you're okay? Oh yeah, I'm fine. Look, I've collected a basket of nuts and seeds for the squirrels. All right, Blue, if you say so. Out in the forest, Blue's Sniffles haven't gone away. Look at these beautiful flowers, Blue. Don't they smell like spring? I can't smell spring, Molly, or anything for that matter. I can't smell. Huh? Achoo! Oh, pine cones! I've lost all of our seeds! Oh, Molly, you've planted a whole field of seeds with just one basket. I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to startle like that. I guess I did send those seeds flying. I'm sure we can scoop some back into the basket. Are you okay, Blue? You're awfully sniffly today. Yeah, I'm okay. Just a little cold, that's all. Now that our friends are finally near the squirrel's home, it's time to choose a hiding spot. Molly's hiding behind a tall tree. Willow is hiding inside a bush. Blue, where are you going to hide? The squirrels won't come out if they can see you. Nice hiding spot, Blue. Oh, shh, here come the squirrels. Wow! Look at those cute baby squirrels! Huh? Blue, no! Achoo! Oh no! I'm so sorry! I didn't mean to scare the squirrels away. It's okay, Blue. We have one more round of food. I'm sure if we sit here longer, more squirrels will come. Did you know that mommy squirrels let baby squirrels search for their own food in spring? You know a lot about squirrels, Willow. That's because my name is Willow. Squirrels love willow trees. You're funny, Willow. Look, here come some more squirrels. Did you know chipmunks are a type of squirrel? Is that really true? Yes, really. Guys, achoo! Oh, pine cones! I'm so sorry. I've ruined our squirrel spotting day. And now we're all out of food. The squirrels will go hungry. The squirrels won't go hungry, Blue. There's a whole forest of food for them to eat. There's plenty of food in the forest. They'll just have to find it on their own now. But I'm sick, and I've ruined everything. You haven't ruined anything, Blue. You just have the sniffles. You'll feel better in a few days. But I've been like this all week. My nose is all sniffly, and my eyes are watery. Every time I go outside, I sneeze. I thought the scarf could help keep the cold away. Blue, that's not a cold. That's hay fever. Hay fever? Does that mean Blue is turning into a horse? No, Molly. It just means the pollen in plants are making her nose tingly. My nose? My nose is sick? No, your nose is just doing its job and keeping the pollen out of your lungs. Your nose is extra sensitive. We better get you to the doctor to have a look. While Blue goes to the doctor, Molly and Willow are in the kitchen baking. Ta-da! Look! No more scarf and no more sniffles. Hooray! You're cured, Blue! I'm not quite cured, but the doctor did give me this nose spray to keep my sniffles away. And I can smell again. What's that sweet smell, Willow? Can you guess? Pecan nuts! You've made a pecan pie. It's nearly ready, too. Yummy! I can't wait to gobble up this pie. Nom, 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 nom. Look who else can't wait to eat some pie. Who? The squirrels! Look, Blue, the squirrels are coming into the kitchen. They must like the smell of pecan pie. Well, it looks like our friends got to watch the squirrels after all. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you on our next adventure.